Most people buying a Honda HR-V think they know exactly what they're getting: a compact, practical crossover with a clean interior and solid reliability. But tucked inside this unassuming little SUV is a set of features so well hidden, most owners are going to go years without ever discovering them. If you've been driving your HR-V without knowing any of these, you're not alone, because these are 8 hidden Honda HR-V features that 99% of owners don't know about. Number 8. Hide the tachometer. The HR-V's digital instrument cluster is a 7-inch display on the left side of the panel, and it gives you a fair amount of control over what's showing on screen. One option buried in the meter setup menu is the ability to turn off the tachometer entirely, useful for highway drivers who find the moving needle distracting. Navigate into the vehicle customization settings right from the cluster and switch it off. But here's where it gets interesting. If you then scroll the left selector wheel to No Content, the system overrides your preference and restores a simplified tachometer sweep automatically. Honda's display logic is designed to prevent any section of the screen from going completely dark. A blank digital zone could easily be mistaken for a dead screen. It's a subtle but smart piece of software engineering that most owners are going to miss entirely. But once you know it's there, the cluster starts making a lot more sense. And speaking of things happening automatically without the driver doing anything, the next feature takes that idea much further, and it kicks in every single time it rains. Number 7. Auto rear wiper in reverse. The HR-V's sloping roofline looks sharp, but that aerodynamic shape is constantly pulling road spray and mist up onto the rear glass. Honda included a rear wiper to deal with it, and most owners know about that. What they don't know is what happens the moment you shift into reverse. Think about the last time you tried to back out of a parking spot in the rain, the rear camera is streaked, the glass is fogged with road spray, and you're craning your neck trying to see what's behind you. That's exactly the scenario this feature is built for. If the front wipers are running in any mode, the rear wiper is going to kick in. Automatically, the second reverse is selected. No button, no manual switch. It also directly benefits the rear view camera, wiping away droplets and grime that blur the lens right when you need clarity most. Shift back into drive or park, and the rear wiper returns to rest. But what happens when the weather gets bad enough to shut down cruise control entirely? The next feature has a solution for that, and most HR-V owners have no idea it even exists. Number 6. Fixed speed cruise control. Every HR-V comes with adaptive cruise control as standard. It's a capable system until the weather turns bad. Heavy rain, thick fog, or snow can obscure the windshield-mounted camera and shut down the adaptive function entirely, leaving you without cruise control at the worst possible time. There's nothing more unsettling than losing cruise control mid-highway in a downpour, suddenly managing speed manually while trucks spray walls of water at your windshield. Honda built in a manual override for exactly this situation. Press the Main or Cruise button to arm the system. Then press and hold the distance selector button, the one with the car and stacked bars, for about 2 seconds. A chime sounds and the display switches to a simplified speedometer with an arrow. In this mode, the HR-V ignores traffic ahead entirely. No phantom braking, no camera dependency, just a locked speed through whatever the weather is throwing at you. It's one of the most practical hidden functions on this vehicle, but the next one is going to matter every time you hand the car off for a wash or service. Number 5. Disable walkaway auto lock. Walkaway auto lock locks all doors automatically once the key fob gets about 5 feet from the vehicle. Convenient for everyday use unless you're washing or detailing the car with the fob nearby. In that scenario, the system turns into a constant cycle of locking, unlocking, and chirping that wears on both patience and door actuators. Honda included a deactivation sequence for this. Ignition off, driver's door open, key fob on your person. Use the master lock switch to execute lock, unlock, lock, unlock. A diagnostic beep confirms the system is off, and the vehicle can be serviced indefinitely without triggering a single passive lock cycle. The system resets automatically the next time the ignition cycles to on. That covers the locking system, but there's a piece of information the HR-V displays every single day that could actually be quietly misleading owners without their knowing it. Number 4. Adjust the outside temperature. The dashboard thermometer sometimes reads warmer than the actual air temperature, and it's not a malfunction. The ambient sensor sits near the front bumper, exposed to engine heat and radiant warmth rising off hot asphalt, causing the readout to drift higher than reality. That drift matters more than it sounds. The difference between 34 degrees and 31 degrees isn't just a number, it's the difference between a wet road and a sheet of black ice. A sensor running 2 or 3 degrees high can quietly give false confidence at exactly the wrong moment. Under Adjust Outside outside temperature display in the meter setup menu, you're able to manually offset the reading by up to plus or minus 5 degrees Fahrenheit on US market vehicles, or plus or minus 3 degrees Celsius on Canadian models. Once set, the ECU applies that offset to every future reading automatically. Now, as temperatures drop and winter sets in, the next feature becomes one of the most useful things on the entire vehicle, and almost nobody knows it's there. Number 3. Wiper Service Mode. The HR-V's wiper arms sit recessed under the trailing edge of the aluminum hood, a clean design that reduces drag and wind noise. But lifting the arms in their normal resting position risks driving the metal hinge directly into the painted hood edge. The damage happens fast, and it's not cheap. Honda built in a way around this. With the engine switched off, pull the wiper stalk to the mist position within 10 seconds and hold it for 2 seconds. The motor sweeps the blades to a full 90-degree vertical angle and locks them there, giving unrestricted access for maintenance. This is also worth knowing for winter parking. Locked vertical wipers can't freeze to the glass overnight, protecting both the blades and the motor from cold start strain. When done, lay the arms flat, cycle the ignition to on, and tap mist once to return everything to the concealed home position. The wiper system is smarter than most people realize, and so is the locking system, which brings us to a hidden function that changes everything when you've got a full car of passengers trying to get out. Number 2. Change auto lock delay. The central locking system waits for all doors to close before accepting a lock command. Standard behavior, but in multi-passenger situations it forces the driver to stand outside, waiting for the last person to gather their things. If you've ever stood in a parking lot in the rain, arms full, waiting for a door to finally close, you already understand why this feature exists. The HR-V's lock presetting function handles it differently. Touch the exterior lock sensor on the driver's door handle, or press the remote once while other doors are still open. The body control module registers the command, sounds a brief beep, and waits. The moment the last door closes, all locks fire simultaneously. Hazard lights flash, confirmation chirp sounds, vehicle secured. If a door reopens during the pending phase, the sequence aborts automatically, preventing accidental lockouts. It's a small feature, but on a cold, wet evening, it makes a noticeable difference. All of that is useful, but the number one feature on this list is the kind of thing you'll only need once. When that moment arrives, you're going to be very glad you watched this. Number 1. Hidden Emergency Fuel Funnel. The HR-V uses a capless fuel filler neck, a spring-loaded flapper door that opens only when a standard rigid pump nozzle is inserted. The problem arrives the moment you run out of fuel away from a station and need to pour from a portable jerry can. Running out of fuel on a back road is already a bad situation. Realizing there's no way to get the jerry can into the tank makes it significantly worse. Most flexible plastic spouts are the wrong diameter to depress the internal locking tabs. Forcing them risks damaging the EVAP sealing gaskets, meaning a check engine light and a costly fuel neck repair. Honda's solution is stored where almost no owner ever looks. Underneath the trunk floor, inside the spare tire compartment, there is a rigid plastic emergency funnel, engineered to the exact diameter required to clear the locking tabs cleanly, factory installed, tucked in with the jack and tire tools. Insert it into the filler neck and a standard canister pours through cleanly, without touching the EVAP system. Most owners will never need it, but the one time they do, nothing else is going to substitute. What these 8 features reveal is that the HR-V is a considerably more engineered vehicle than its price point and modest footprint tend to suggest. Honda's team buried solutions to real specific problems: a sensor that drifts on cold mornings, a cruise system that fails in bad weather, a fuel neck that locks out a jerry can when you need it most, and place those solutions where most owners will never look. The wiper service mode protects the hood. The lock presetting respects the driver's time. The emergency funnel is sitting in the spare tire well right now. Taken together, these hidden functions don't just add convenience. They fill gaps that most compact SUV buyers assume simply don't have answers. The HR-V is certainly one of the most appealing small SUVs around, but if we talk about a Honda that's about to disturb the market, that would be the 2027 Honda Ridgeline you can check out in our next video. It's getting a full redesign with a brand new hybrid powertrain that relies on a super smooth V6 engine.